Atocha Station, Madrid. Opened in 1851, the station is named after a nearby church dedicated to Our Lady of Atocha. It was designed by Alberto de Palacio Elizalde and Gustave Eiffel. What makes the Atocha stations unique is the large garden, resembling almost a small jungle built around it. It was designed by Spanish architect Rafael Moneo and houses hundreds of species of plants and rare animals. There is also a memorial for the victims of 2004 Madrid bombings. Antwerp Central, Antwerp. One of the most beautiful railway stations in the world, the Antwerp Central was opened in 1905. It is an amalgamation of architectural styles primarily designed by Louis de la Centurie. The massive dome over the waiting hall is the brainchild of de la Centurie. The train shed was designed by Clement van Bogart, and the glass viaduct into the station was designed by architect Jean van Asperen. This Belgian structure has been selected as the most beautiful railway station in many surveys. Gare du Nord, Paris. It goes without saying that one of the most beautiful cities in the world has one of the most beautiful railway stations as well. The Gare du Nord opened in 1864. Is a brilliant achievement of architecture. Its neoclassical design is complemented by the decoration that adorn it. These include the 23 female statues in the facade that represent the destination served by the railway line. Grand Central Terminal, New York. Designed by the architectural firms of Reed and Stein and Warren and Wetmore, this railway station in New York is one of the most popular tourist attractions in the world. The Grand Central Terminal draws over 20 million visitors in a year, making it one of the top 10 tourist destinations. It is the biggest railway station in the world, with 44 platforms and 67 tracks. The current building, designed in Beaux-Arts style, was completed in 1913. One time, it used to house art galleries and a museum. The railway station regularly finds a place in top lists. It has been featured in many films, including The Godfather and Men in Black. Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, Mumbai. The only railway station that has been included in the list of UNESCO World Heritage Sites, Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus is an example of the architectural triumphs. Designed by Frederick William Stephens in a blend of traditional Mughal and Victorian Gothic architecture, it was opened in 1888. It was formerly called Victoria Terminus. The station, named after the Maratha King Shivaji, is order of the busiest in India, used by around 3 million passengers daily. St Pancras International, London. Known as the Cathedral of the Railways, the St Pancras International was opened in 1868. It has undergone renovation for various times since then, but has retained its old charm. Famous for its Victorian architecture, it is decorated with many artworks. The station's arched train shed was the largest single-span structure at the time. Its facade is occupied by the Renaissance Hotel. The station also houses numerous shops and restaurants.